Okay, bring that glow. Okay, so you have the shop now button, which is
Mhm.
good. Okay, so a product like this, it's
Yeah.
really, I think it's too generic. One, it's not stopping someone from scrolling. Like when you see this, like if you're on Instagram and you saw this, you would most
Mhm.
likely continue scrolling.
Mhm.
Also, if you did catch your attention and look at it for 1 second, you might click shop now, but there's a good chance you would not purchase it.
Mhm.
So I think that's why this product maybe didn't do too well. But let's check
Okay.
out a different product.
This one. That's like a DIY kit to make the butter yourself.
Okay. So I think this is definitely going to get people to watch.
Mhm.
Is that glue or
No, I think it's made with. Uh,
yeah, the thing that makes it hard, yeah, and see through.
yeah.
Oh wow, this is pretty interesting actually. Huh. So my guess is, you know how I only realized that near the middle?
Mhm.
By the time, like I would have kept scrolling. So I think that's why
Okay.
it's not strong enough. Like I don't know what I'm looking at, and I was
Mhm.
a bit confused. And if I was a bit confused, then the everyday person would have the same reaction.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see the next one. I felt like this was pretty cool. I think that was like the best one out of them that I launched that performed. So it's like a
Ooh,
transforming race car.
yeah. So I think one tip is, you know how it
Mhm.
transforms? Maybe start the video like that. Have that at the start, because I know the
Mhm.
beginning was just a car on its own. So
Yeah.
I kept scrolling. But yeah, this is definitely your strongest product. Uh,
Mhm.
this is good. The video is good. Like this is probably the best so far. Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah, this one was just a picture ad. I think it wasn't really, yeah, that
Oh,
was just more like an easier one.
yeah. I think this product is really useful. It's
Mhm.
really hard to sell. It's like selling stickers or selling like
Yeah.
a book or selling a poster. It's
Mm.
hard for people to want to purchase those things online.
Mhm.
So I think yeah, we could review one or two more if you'd like.
Um, I feel like the ones before I showed, like this one, maybe I should have used a video ad for this
Oh wow.
because I felt like it was like an espresso maker, like a portable one.
This is
So
actually
maybe
a
I
good
should have
photo.
used.
But I think you're right. A video would have been better to really explain how this product works because this isn't enough to get people to purchase. But I think this is a
Yeah,
product.
yeah.
Um,
This got like quite a few add to carts, but yeah, my shipping wasn't working. So
so if
uh,
this on, how cheap was the cost per click? If the cost per clicks were really cheap, maybe it's worth relaunching. Right now, try focus on more unique wow items, stuff that is
mhm,
not every day, things that people can't get at their local store or people can't easily search up. Something more unique.
mhm.